The Adventures of Whiskers, a daily ritual. In the quiet suburban neighborhood of Willowwood, there lived a family called the Andersons. Their home was cozy, complete with a white picket fence and a perfectly manicured garden. But what made their house truly feel like a home was their beloved family cat, Whiskers. Whiskers, a fluffy orange tabby with bright green eyes, had become a cherished member of the Anderson family. Every morning, like clockwork, Whiskers would wake up the family with gentle nudges and soft purrs, signaling the beginning of his daily adventure. As the sun began to rise, Whiskers would eagerly await the moment the front door opened. The Andersons had learned that he had a keen sense of time, and his morning routine had become a delightful family ritual. With the door ajar, Whiskers would gracefully slip out, ready to explore the wonders that awaited him in the neighborhood. The Anderson children, Emma and Liam, would watch with excitement as Whiskers embarked on his daily escapades. It seemed as though he had a secret world of his own, filled with mysterious feline rendezvous and thrilling escapades. Whiskers would trot down the front porch steps, his tail held high like a flag signaling the start of his expedition. The neighborhood had come to know and love Whiskers, as he had a way of brightening everyone's day. Mrs. Jenkins next door would leave a small dish of milk on her porch, knowing that Whiskers would saunter by for a quick drink. The children at the nearby bus stop would eagerly await his morning appearance, hoping for a chance to give him a gentle pat before heading to school. Whiskers had his favorite spots, carefully mapped out in his daily routine. The small patch of sunshine near the community garden was perfect for a morning nap, and the old oak tree at the end of the street provided an excellent vantage point for bird watching. The local bakery was a frequent stop, where the enticing aroma of freshly baked goods never failed to lure him in. As the day unfolded, Whiskers would gracefully traverse the neighborhood, exchanging friendly greetings with other cats, and occasionally engaging in playful chases with the resident squirrels. The Andersons often wondered what tales Whiskers could tell about his daily adventures if he could only speak. But as the sun began its descent, a change would come over Whiskers. His exploratory energy would wane, and a satisfied look would settle in his eyes. The once lively explorer would make his way back home, as if following an invisible trail only he could see. The Anderson children, waiting eagerly at the front door, would welcome Whiskers back with open arms. Emma would scoop him up into her arms, while Liam would ruffle his fur affectionately. The family would gather around, sharing stories of their day as Whiskers purred contentedly, satisfied with another day's adventure. As evening descended upon Willowwood, Whiskers would find his favorite spot on the family's living room couch. With a full belly and a heart content, he would curl up for a well-deserved nap, dreaming of the next day's exploration. And so, the sun would set, marking the end of another day in the life of Whiskers, the adventurous family cat of Willowwood. The Andersons, grateful for the joy and warmth he brought into their lives, would tuck him in with a cozy blanket, looking forward to the promise of another day filled with Whiskers' delightful escapades. The end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Teddy's Best Story Time. See you next time.